All right, we are going to today to cook with the Power Air Fryer Bubba Burgers. I got 3 Bubba Burgers left in here, and we are going to cook those tonight. I've never done a hamburger in here before, so we're going to try it out. All right, like I said, I've never done this before, and I'm going to cook Bubba Burgers. These are the Angus Bubba Burgers. I'm putting 3 in here. As you can tell, I couldn't lay them flat, so they're all at a little bit of an angle, which I think will be fine because the air can still be distributed pretty good. So anyway, we're going to see how they turn out. Alrighty. I'm going to cook them first for 5 minutes, and then I am going to flip them and cook them 5 more and then see where we're at. So, alright, here we go. Alright, so I'm going to cook them for 5 minutes. I'm going to do them on the 400. And we'll go from here. Alright, so they're cooking and we will be back. Thumbs up, let's see what's going on with them. Alright, well, I went ahead and I flipped them already. I'm going to cook them for 5 more minutes and we're going to see where we're at. Alright. This was 5 more minutes, so this is a total of 10, and you could hear them in there sizzling that time. Looks like that one that's laying down in the back right there did a lot better than, I don't know, they kind of all look more even, but that one definitely looks like it cooked better. Let me flip them real quick and I'm going to let you guys see that. Alright, well, I got them flipped. And I'm going to have to cook them for a little bit more. One of them, like I said, that one, it cooked a lot better because it was laying down. I probably should have just cooked 2 in here. I think I could have laid 2 down. But the back 2, that one and that one, are not near as cooked as this one right here. That one right there was more laying down, like I said. But, however, they are smelling really good. And now I will tell you this right here, they a little bit more harder to flip because you can't get a spatula in there, and whenever they were fine when they were frozen, but since they're not frozen, of course, no more, they're becoming a little more meaty like, and you got to be careful with them because you'll tear the burger apart and you'll have half a burger or a quarter of it missing. So I'm going to try it again for 3 minutes this time and see where we're at. Alright, we'll see you guys. Let's get this rolling. Alright, there we go. See you in a couple of minutes. There goes 3 more minutes. And they are looking pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. I'm going to cook them for 2 more minutes and then I'm going to flip them again. I do like mine well done, by the way. So there goes 2 more minutes. I'm going to flip these real quick, see what's going on with them. They're starting to look pretty good though. Alright, that's them flipped. They look pretty good. They're still a little pink down here. These other 2 that were laying upwards, though, the one that was laying flat the most is looking better. So I'm going to cook them for a few more minutes and see what's going on with them. Right, so here is the burgers. You can see that one is pretty well done, isn't it? So, let me show you what the other ones look like. And it did make a mess. There's a lot of grease down there in the bottom, so It's going to be a little more cleanup than it would be if you were just cooking like cheese sticks or fries or something like that. So, and I hadn't looked on the inside yet. So, but anyway, it did good. Probably took a little while to cook it, but I think it turned out good. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Peace.